Hi, I'm Michael Costello, and this is Dress Tips and Tricks, how to dress for a model casting. So get ready, get a pen and a paper, and take some information down. First, you want to be memorable when going into a model casting, so it's always best that you choose something that's very slimming, a little fitted, that shows your body, but also has a pop of color, something that, empowers your personality. So I think this is a great color for a model casting. It'll make you the memorable girl. It's up to you on how short you want to go with the dress. I say the shorter the better. The more leg you show, I think you're going to ace the casting. I think key element is definitely having a really high heel. A lot of designers and a lot of people in casting calls, they do like to see a high heel. I especially love to see the highest of the highest heel. So that's one thing to remember. Notice how she has no accessories on. Accessories sometimes can be forgotten. Although she could be remembered for the beautiful earrings, we want all the attention to be on her face, her body, her waist, her legs, and that's it. We want you to be memorable in a model casting. So keeping the accessories to a minimum or no accessories at all will definitely be your best bet. I say keep the hair fresh, clean, swept right off the way from the face, kind of like what she does here. She just wraps this up, just in a little knot, and it could be a sloppy knot. You could even throw a pencil in it and it'll look cute. Makeup. Makeup should be very minimal. I chose to go with a very clean cat eye, no smoky eye, no false lashes, none of that. I think a basic black liner just around to define the perimeter of your eye is always key, always looks beautiful, always looks clean. Doing a very light, fresh lip. This is a young, youthful color. Anything in the shades of pink is always a nice, youthful color. You just have to remember how to do it. Sometimes playing it up really shiny can read off the wrong way, but choosing to do it more in like a matte tone color always looks good. I say keep everything really fresh, clean, simple, and you're guaranteed to ace your casting. I'm Michael Costello, and you're watching How to Dress for a Casting Call.